For your first question, are doors and windows common features of buildings?
Yes.
That is some grinder discs.
Okay, great.
Are you ready for your second question?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. For your second question, are building bricks, sometimes red in color?
Yes.
That is a spring compressor.
Yes. Thank you.
Are you ready for your third and final question?
Yes.
Let's get after this. For your third and final question, what is the average gravitational pull of Earth?
Not able to answer that one.
Okay, the correct answer is 9.8 meters per second squared. Thank you so much for participating.
Thanks.